have two attorneys here, and you'll present it with an offer. You can accept the offer, and we can close the matter out today, or you can set a trial date if you don't like the offer, and we'll give you a trial date, and then we'll give you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer to advise you. All right. So, for the lawyers, you'll either be in breakout room 1, breakout room 2 or 3, and then breakout room 4 will be reserved for you to go in there and speak with the prosecutor. And for the prosecutor, as you know, the breakout room will be room number 1 for the police to speak with them. Just to get started, we can just start letting you speak with the lawyer now. Most of the cases, you'll go and look at the charges for the lawyers, and then just go into the breakout room 4 with Mr. Bowman and see if you can work it out, and then we'll do it like that.
Sorry, Your Honor, I didn't quite understand what you said. You want us to go into the breakout room with Mr. Bowman before we talk to our clients?
I mean, you can do it either way. If you want to talk to the client first, that's up to you. But pretty much, I don't know if the offer sheet has gotten to you or not. But pretty much, pre-try every one, unless you like the offer that's on the offer sheet.
No problem. I prefer to talk to my clients first so that I know if they have any documents. So when I'm talking to Mr. Bowman, we're not double talking. So if they have documents and things like that impact the offer. Mr. Lucas, you're in court. You got to take that head off your head, sir.
Were any offers sent out? Because I didn't get any.
Yes. Chat me your email address if you want me to forward them to you. I have some.
I did send them to him.
Did you? Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Then I'll go through my email again. Thank you also, Attorney Gaydon Robinson.
All right. So whenever we're ready, I'm ready.
I'm ready as well, Your Honor.
You can open up. There you go. Thanks.
Found them. Thank you.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning. I just want to thank you that I had Roger Gill.
Pardon me?
Gill.
Who was that?
Roger Gill.
Roger Gill.
Yeah.
I haven't seen him show up yet. So.
Okay.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What is Gill set for?
Mr. Lucas, you didn't have to remove your shirt. You just couldn't have your hood on your head.
Oh. Gill, you said? G-I-L-L? Ms. Barrett? All right, let's get going.
Yes, Judge. Were you calling me?
You said Gill?
Yes, G-I-L-L.
And the first name is Roger?
Roderick.
Roger. Oh, okay. I have a Roger form.
I'm going to look it up too.
Roger Gill, that's not till the 24th.
I guess I just wanted to come see you.
All right.
I'll see you later. Bye.
On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you turn your camera on and unmute yourself? What's your name, sir?
You talking to me again?
Yes, what's your name?
Richard Green.
Richard Green. Good morning to you.
Morning.
All right, let's get going. This is going to be the city of Detroit versus D'Angelo. You ready? This is going to be the city of Detroit versus D'Angelo W.D. Glenn Lyons. Case number SP 155-66892, SP 794-3121, 18-45-1009, council 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Gaten Robinson.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. Lyons. Mr. Lyons, can you please say your name for the record?
D'Angelo Lyons.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with your lawyer, and then she'll get you the offer. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's get Roderick Owens. This is the city of Detroit versus Roderick Demir Owens, case number SP 111-30251, SP 135-00031, SP 159-4051, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 159-40521. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, may it please the court. Tana Jenkins, P82663, on behalf of Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, please place your full name, including your middle name, on the record.
Roderick Demir Owens Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, we would ask that the order to show cause be set aside and ask the same for any bench warrants, ask that any capiases be recalled, stand mute for purposes of arraignment.
In or not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Jenkins, Mr. Owens has failure to stop, a no insurance proof, and a no registration to go along with those charges. They may be involved, but I think that was very recent because I don't see any extra fees attached to them. If the city doesn't mind, if the city has no objections, I wouldn't have any apprehension of setting those people aside. Mr. Owens, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. Have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And then I should find Attorney Bowman in room 4.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
On the iPhone, you just came in. Unmute yourself and state your name, please.
Dwayne Howard.
Dwayne Howard, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
I don't see you on my docket. Let's see where you're supposed to be. Howard, H-O-W-A-R-D, right?
Beg your pardon?
H-O-W-A-R-D, Howard. And how do you spell your first name?
D-E-W-A-Y-N-E.
Do you have a middle name?
Leroy, Leroy. Date of birth 12/04/1991.
Okay, you're supposed to be in Fort Bloom. Donna Millhouse.
Okay, house. Okay.
All right, Donna Millhouse, you have a trial, you have a show cause on some other matters.
Okay.
You are in Donna Millhouse at 8:35.
Okay.
All right. Have a
Thank
great day. T-roll off. Morning to you.
Cause I can't. Hello?
Yes, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. My phone wasn't letting me unmute myself. How are you doing?
I'm well, all right. Morning to you. I don't see Doc either. Give me 1 second. Officer Harrington, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 1. You can wait on the city. Or you could just, I'm just gonna open breakout room 1 up for you. You don't necessarily have to look there right now. That's okay. Good morning to you. Mr. Alexander, Mr. Green, Richard Green, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Not on the car right now, Your Honor. It's not running right now. That's why I didn't really. Your Honor, you told me I was supposed to get a court-appointed attorney, and no one never called me on that.
All right. T, roll off. You're not supposed to be here until November the 4th. November the 4th.
Oh, all right. I received a citation in the mail that said 10/22.
All of yours are November the 4th.
Okay. Cool.
All right. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Gazdecki, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
T.
Officer Malcolm Berry just called. He wants Officer Malcolm Berry. He wants to dismiss Lynn Joe.
Malcolm Berry. Liggins George.
No.
Warrant Officer Nelson.
Good morning. How are you today?
Well.
I'm here on Lucas.
Okay.
I also have to check in the Judge King's room, 337.
Very well. You can check in.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Well, let me see. You're not on this. No, Jonathan Mayer.
No, Lucas
Meyer.
is.
Yeah. All right. That's it. Jonathan Meyer is what we're waiting on. All
Thank
right. All right. Are we ready on anyone? No, not yet. All right. So let's go with Simon Wheeler.
Yes.
Good morning. Are you You have a case?
Yes, sir, I do. I'm assuming I'm in the right courtroom. Courtroom 337.
Oh, you're in the wrong courtroom. You have to dial 360-337-0000.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
Raymond's iPhone. What is your last name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Raymond Griffin.
All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gazdecki, you know the routine. We're waiting till 9 o'clock. Give that officer some time to check in.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Get here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Are we ready on Roderick Owens?
Yes, Judge.
What are we gonna do with this?
I'm asking for a new date. He has insurance and registration, and he's also on the way to getting his license back.
What is it set for?
It's an order to show cause today, so we're asking for a pretrial date.
Let's go back on the record with Roderick Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates to me that you're on your way to getting a valid license. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You want a pretrial date. The next date is going to be December 17th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, okay?
Thank you, too, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
December 17th, 2024, 8:30. Lemons.
How you doing?
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Keon Chavez Lemons. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, case number SP132966963, SP151644403, U15836514, U44801618, 1544513341. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins, PA 2663, on behalf of Mr. Lemons. Mr. Lemons, please place your full name on the record.
Say that again. You're coming through a little bit distorted.
I'm sorry, Keon Chavez Lemon.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. We would ask that any bench warrants be set aside, KPS be recalled with respect to arraignment. We stand mute.
Pleading or not guilty, pleading your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. Your client owes $288 on a no insurance proof. He owes some other things as well, as far as civil infractions that he never paid. But the 288 is what appears to be affecting his license, at least with the 36th District Court. He has some other older cases as well, so maybe this may be a time where he could just set this matter for trial. We'll get it all situated on December the 17th, 2024, and he can take that time to pay that 288 and see if he can get a license. I'll let you speak to him in a breakout room. You can advise, you can have a chance to speak with the lawyer, all right, sir?
Thank you. So that's a defaulted civil, Your Honor?
Yeah, default is civil 288, no insurance proof.
Is there any way we could take the civil out of default and get a plea offer on it?
Well, not necessarily, because what happens is that when you take these things, whether this is not a point ticket, but when you take some of those civil infractions out of default, then you cause yourself to re-abstract when the city doesn't offer like a block of traffic or something. So you know, if he pays that, he may be eligible for a license. I don't know what his driving record looks like in any other jurisdiction, but in 36 District Court, that's all he owes.
Thank you.
That's not all he owes. Let me say that. Correct that. That's not all he owes. That's what's affected his license.
Understood. Thank you.
He joined the breakout room. He's in there, and he doesn't have to try. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. D'Angelo Lyons. So I give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lyons is interested in accepting the offer. I would like to speak to the court with regards to sentencing before you sentence him.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Jane Robinson went over your other advice rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right. What is the offer?
Your Honor, if he pleads to 2 counts of allowing an unlicensed person to drive and 2 counts of improper plates, the other matters will be dismissed and the original matters will be dismissed.
Oh, 2. So you got 6 cases pleading to 4?
Yes. The driving while license suspended, repeat offender is being reduced to allowing another, I believe it's no operator's license on person is being reduced to allowing unregistered untitled motor vehicle is being reduced to improper plates. I'm sorry, his 4th one is being his disregarding the traffic signal is being reduced to impeding traffic. I misread the note. All of which, Your Honor, put him in a position where he won't be getting any points.
So tell me this, what is the act? Read it one more time to me, please. The offer.
So ticket number ending in 6892. The driving while license suspended, repeat offender is being reduced to allowing a licensed person to drive. Ticket ending in 3121.
Just read them off, no, without the ticket numbers. Just give me all of them.
Allowing an unlicensed person to drive. Allowing an unlicensed person to drive. Improper plates and impeding traffic.
Okay. All right. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let me draw your attention. Way back to April the 4th, 2018, at 9:50 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Kentford. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and insurance.
Yes, sir.
And registration. You couldn't do either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
I didn't have the operator's license at the time.
Very well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it improper plates twice and one allowing so we don't have to go over. It's going to have the same effect, sir.
Okay.
And then it's the blocking traffic. Okay, so I'll find him guilty of the amended count of allowing for the driver for the no ops, amended count of improper plates for the unregistered untitled, and amended count of improper plates for the no insurance misdemeanor. Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as per the amended count of blocking traffic as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counsel on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm assuming that you're going to ask me for some relief on the fees. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I am going to also ask for some time to pay. My client is an auto worker and was laid off. He does not go back to work until next week, and he has some catching up to do on his household bills. So if the court could give him 30 days to at least start a payment plan with the court, we greatly appreciate it.
Where does your client work? Auto worker, where?
I'm a production supervisor at Wabasto.
All right, I'm gonna find your, I'm gonna fine you, $240 for the, allowing. I'll dismiss that upon payment. And I'm gonna find you another, I'll find you another $240 for the, one of the improper plates, and I'll close out the other stuff. All right.
Yes, sir.
Is that good enough?
Thank you very much. You've been very gracious, Your Honor.
Review date. We'll set a review date for 11/22/2024 at 8:25 a.m. You pay those matters, sir, and we will close and dismiss these cases. You have a very good day. Pay those at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app on your phone.
Okay.
Or you pay those, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay those in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees as well.
Yes,
and if you don't have anything further, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right. This is the state of Michigan versus L. Lemon 8LH Lemon, case number SX44297971. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Gazdek. Let's pass that matter. Let's go to City of Detroit. Mrs. Gaten Robinson versus Carlos Anthony Green. Case number SP7854981 and 1849833331. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Green. Mr. Green, can you please state your name for the record?
Yes, Carlos Anthony Green Sr.
All right. Do you, morning to you, sir. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. Let's pass the matter. Mrs. Gaten Robinson, this is the City of Detroit versus Jeremy Andrew Thomas Lucas.
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt. I've been trying to get the prosecutor's attention. If he could just check his chats.
Mr. Bowman, yeah. Attention to the go in the breakout room. Pay attention to the chat, Mr. Bowman, down at the survival.
Okay.
Go to breakout room 4, please. All right, now that gets me back on the record. Let's get me back on the record for Mr. Carlos Anthony. I'm going to dismiss cases for providing valid documentation. You have a valid license. Congratulations on that. And you're still going to owe the court a waiver of warrant fees. You're going to have to pay reinstatement fees, which I see is 2 of them, and then you owe $228 as well on a old expired plate that you never paid. So I see by my calculation that is going to be $318. You can pay that in any DivDat kiosk in the City of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it. And on those matters, you can pay those at the on the website and all that, because I don't think it's time sensitive. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Okay. Judge, I think I paid all of that stuff. I went to 36 District Court and they gave me everything and I paid everything then.
Mr. Green, from my records and the way I see it, and I think this is the most updated, that doesn't read as paid, all right?
Okay.
You gotta take your receipts down to the court. That's between you and the cashiers.
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Let's call it again. Jeremy Andrew Thomas, City of Detroit versus Jeremy Andrew Thomas, case number SP4244781, SP4244779, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Mr. Thomas. I don't see him on my screen. Mr. Thomas, can you please say your name for the record?
Are you guys calling me?
Jeremy Lucas. Jeremy Lucas.
That's me.
Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Jeremy Andrew Thomas Lucas.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, Miss Gayton Robinson. Have a conversation with her. Keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please. Mr. Gazdecki, are you ready? Okay, on the Samsung device, the young lady that came in, what is your name, please?
Clarice Lee.
Good morning to you. And you said Lee?
Yes.
I heard my name, Your Honor.
Lanita?
Clarice Lonita Taylor Lee.
Okay. Good morning to you. Okay.
Good morning.
Yeah, you heard your name, Counselor. Let me get back to that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good. Judge, I don't know if I'm supposed to be in Judge Donald Millhouse's courtroom today.
You probably are with the last name H. Is that your name, Howard? Corey Howard?
Yeah. Yep, Corey Howard.
All right.
And
let's see. Corey Howard. What is your middle name?
Tremaine.
Tremaine, you are supposed to be in Donna Millhouse, but you're not supposed to be there until Friday, the 25th. I don't know how many people have
the 25th?
The 25th, Friday at 8:35.
Okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. On the iPhone, I have. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's recall the state of Michigan versus H. Lemon. Case number SX44297971. Mr. Gazdecki, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Honor Mark Gazdecki, P46289 on behalf of Mr. Limam.
All right, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. What about your client's presence, counsel?
I asked the court to waive his presence as a civil infraction.
All right, you have the authority to enter into any agreement on his behalf. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll grant that motion to waive his presence for a trooper, Mayor, M-E-Y-E-R, Hearing no response, you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm motion to dismiss the case without prejudice.
All right, the case dismissed. No officer. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor. It's always a pleasure.
Yes, thank you. All right. All right, we're waiting on a lawyer. Mr. Green, did you speak to Mr. Boffman? That's your lawyer.
His name is Boffman.
Harry Boffman. He was in the breakout room. Did you join it or not?
He didn't say anything. I was in the breakout room.
All right.
I didn't know that was my lawyer. I didn't know that was my lawyer, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, are we referring to Richard Alexander Green?
Yes, we are.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. We're waiting on a lawyer. Wanda Thomas. Wanda Thomas. How can I help you?
Yes, I had a court date today.
I don't know if you have a court date in here. You're gonna have to turn your camera on though.
I'm at the hospital though.
I'm sorry. Okay, I hope you're okay. Let's see here. Wanda Thomas. Are you okay? You look
Yes,
okay.
I'm pregnant. That's why.
Oh, there we go. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What is your middle name?
Denise.
Is this your first?
My first court date?
Oh, your first child?
No, this is my second child.
Wanda Bernice.
Isha Wanda Denise Garrell.
Denise Garrell.
Yes.
Wanda Thomas. I don't see you have a court date.
No, it's Shawanda Denise Garrell.
Shawanda.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, Denise Garrell. Okay, so that makes a difference. Maybe it's under 835.
Like Joe.
Oh, I see that.
She almost like it's GI.
Your Honor, we have a resolution with the last case that was called where House Counsel Jenkins was representing someone.
Breakout room.
Are we ready on anyone? Not yet.
Your Honor, this is Richard Green again. What breakout room am I supposed to go to?
Not any now, because Mr. Bachman dropped off.
Okay.
So we're gonna, I don't know why you needed a lawyer for
those
two. But you wanted one, you got one. But I mean, I'll say this, everybody needs a lawyer. Should have one of your own that you have a relationship with. I'll say that. But for these two matters, you could have gone with any of the court the lawyers that are in here today. But you got very appointed to you, so.
All right.
We'll wait on him to come back.
All right.
I thought you thought that was worked out, Counselor. With
apparently not.
Yeah.
Apparently not. NBA basketball season, Your Honor, starts tonight.
I mean, I'm college all day long, though. I just, the NBA and the NFL, they just don't do much for me except last night with, Lamar Jackson.
Lamar, yeah.
When you get to watch people like that, you can't help it, but college all the way. For me. Go green.
We'll talk about that a little bit later.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I have a question for Mr. Lemons.
Okay, he's back in the breakout room. He hasn't come out yet.
He is, I can't find this U ticket in the register of actions and he doesn't remember. If you can help me out on the factual basis. Is there any way the court could look it up?
I got 2 U tickets here. One, walking down the sidewalk of Theodore Street with alcoholic beverage. 2, and that's back in 2014. I can see why he doesn't remember that, but 2, it seems like that's what he does, according to what the police say, drinking outside on Fransworth and McDougal on 2018. So those are the 2 U tickets.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, does he, or let's go back on the record with Mr. Lemons. Mr. Lemons is giving you an opportunity to speak to come. Is it that you want this trial date?
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is gonna be December 17th, 2024 at 9 a.m. You pay that $288, you might put yourself in a position to have a valid driver's license when you come back in. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that. You got to pay that down here at the court and wait 48 to 72 hours. Approach the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license. If they won't give you a license, you can ask them for a printout. They can tell you anything else that's affecting your license. I'm going to start calling myself the driver's license judge. You know, if it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right.
Sir.
All right. Enjoy. His name comes all the time.
Nah, man. I got my driver's license from you for the first time, man. Don't do that to me.
So it's true. I'm the driver's license judge, huh?
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Since I was 16, I ain't had no driver's license. All the way till I came see you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit. I may be calling this prematurely versus Eric Ligon Joy. Case number SP146230001 and SP159674441. Appearance for the record, please.
Connor Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Ligon Joy. Mr. Ligon Joy, please place your name on the record.
Eric Ligon Joy.
Today is the date and time. Good morning to you, Mr. Ligon Joy. For SP146230001, I'm going to dismiss that case for paying for SP159674441. I thought it was an officer that showed up for that. Let me see. No, was that the one you told me that they're not going to show up, right?
Yes.
So he wins again. That was Officer Malcolm Berry, right?
Yes.
Called in for Ligon Joy, and he said what?
No recollection.
And he said he had no recollection, so it's not premature for me to call that. I'm right on time, as usual. And case is going to be dismissed there as well, all right? Mr. Ligon Joy, congratulations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Appreciate you, man. I'm gonna come 36
Next time I see him, I want it better be at the Myers or somewhere.
That's what I say. I'll bring you lunch down there, man, one day, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a good day, man.
Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You too.
You too. Thank you, Attorney.
Then, hey. All right. Gooseby. This is the city of Detroit. Thank you so much. This is the city of Detroit versus Nakia Doris
Milan.
Gooseby. Good morning to you, ma'am. Case number SP 1196726, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Gooseby. Ms. Gooseby, please place your name on the record.
Nakia Doris Milan Gooseby.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant order, Counselor.
Good morning, Your Honor. We would ask that the bench warrant be set aside, any capias be recalled, and we would stand mute for purposes of arraignment.
All right, and I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Are you sleeping, ma'am? Are you laying down? You're gonna have to get up. This is not nap time. You're sick?
I'm sorry.
You're sick?
No.
No. Getting this Thomas out of here too. She's in at least she's in the hospital. She has a reason to be laying down. You don't have any reason. Do you have a valid license and insurance, Ms. Gooseby?
I'm working on my license. I plan on getting it next week.
Want a pre-trial date for your client, Ms. Jenkins?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like a pretrial date so that my client can go to Secretary of State, pay whatever she needs to pay so that she can have her license and come back with her license and insurance so that she can benefit from the memorandum of understanding and have both of those tickets dismissed.
All right. I don't know if it's a memorandum of understanding. I think it's I guess maybe just an understanding between me and the prosecutor's office that they will, I like to reward people that go and get it, and the prosecutor does not stand in front of that. So go get your license, ma'am, and insurance. All right, come back on December 17th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. Pre-trial day. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day. All right. All warrants recalled.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, City of Detroit versus Shawanda Denise Gurrell. Case number SP 1387300, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance in the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Gurrell.
She's at 8:35. Ms. Gurrell, can you state your name for the record, please?
Shawanda Denise Gurrell.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. She just let you know she has old matters that she never took care of, no plates, and she owes 252 seatbelt, 126 equipment, 192 failure to stop at a stop sign, 258, and violation of basic speed law, 246. We won't hear those today. She has what's on the docket. Do you have valid license, registration, and insurance, Ms. Gurrell?
I got my permit, but I didn't go take my road test yet, but I did go get my permit.
Well, she has, I'll accept the permit, but if you want to come back, let's set the matter for trial. If you have license, registration, and insurance on those days, we'll dismiss these and you'll just pay the stuff off you owe the court.
Okay.
You're sitting at $1,074 right now with nothing, not even these cases taken care of. All right.
Yes.
Come back. When is the baby due?
January 5th.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna need that license and insurance and take the baby around December the 12th, December the 17th, 2024 at 8:30. We're gonna set the matter for a trial. Give you time to do that, all right?
Yes.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day. I'll see you back in December 17th at 9 a.m., all right?
You too. Thank you.
Take care.
Right, City of Detroit versus, where is, and Andre Gordon.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Let's see.
Good morning.
What's your middle name again, sir?
Lamar.
I see him under the 845 docket.
City of Detroit versus Andre Lamar Gordon. Case number SP 907632, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, please place your full name on the record.
Andre Lamar Gordon.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. These are some old cases, it appears. I don't know if you want us to set a trial date. This goes back to 2017. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with him. He's on the telephone. Is this a good number to reach you at, sir?
Yeah.
All right, speak to him in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, for the record, Victor Bowman for the people, 33764. Based upon the age of these tickets, we can dismiss these 2 tickets.
Thank you. Because I definitely was going to recommend trial. Thank you.
224, dismiss case, this age of the ticket. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee, pay reinstatement fee, and you owe $258 for the speeding ticket. So case is dismissed, and have a very good day. Pay that in, you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that, did that after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day, and best of luck to you.
Talking to me, Your Honor?
Yeah, you didn't hear anything I said?
I heard you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a good day. All right, City of Detroit versus Evelyn Camacho Ramirez, case number SP 1451410, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1491115, counts 1, 2, and 3. The State of Michigan versus Evelyn Camacho Ramirez, case number SX 4263631, counts 1 and counts 2. And we'll also call 207-238-042 into the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Camacho Ramirez. Ms. Camacho Ramirez, please place your full name on the record.
Evelyn Camacho Ramirez.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I counted 7 cases into the record. I only counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted 7 cases on the docket. I'm going to dismiss 207-238-042. That was paid. Miss Ramirez owes enough. She owes $288 as well on a no insurance proof that could be the reason, at least with the 36th District Court. If she does not have a license, that would be one of the reasons. That case, let's see how old that case is. That case went into default last year, so we won't do anything with that. $288. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins, have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, Mr. Ramirez?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Miss Lisa, oh, they're not on.
Did we loop?
No, we have everybody. I'm trying to get this person identified first. We've been having some crazy stuff going on down here.
Mr. Bowman, I'm about to send you a chat, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, this is Mr. Jeremy Lucas. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are asking that this matter be set for trial for Mr. Lucas. I'm sending Mr. Bowman a chat right now. There is a police report that my client has with him in his possession where the other party to the accident is noted as having ran the red light, and I don't know if Mr. Bowman has seen that report. My client maintains his innocence and wishes to set this matter for trial.
What time is I'm sorry, what time is Mr. Lucas docketed for today?
He is under
8:35. All right.
Gotcha. All right.
I'm gonna trial date December 17th, 2024 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lucas, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Go. This is the city of Detroit versus Gabrielle Garza, case number SP 1594837, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 162104222. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Garza. Mr. Garza, please say your name for the record.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Adrian Garza. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor, as for purposes of arraignment.
We waive formal reading of the information and we stand mute.
Yeah, not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. You have it's got a no unregistered, untitled, no insurance. Do you have any documents? You have registration and insurance, sir?
Yes, I don't have my hard copy for my insurance, but I have a PDF file. I got my registrations right here, though.
Let me see the registration.
Your Honor, can I take him into a room so that his information is, Mr. Garza, put that down for a second.
Oh,
so his personal information isn't live streamed? Because that has his address and everything on it.
Going to the breakout room, and he also has a insufficient defective lights ticket.
Oh,
okay.
I had
Mr. Garza, we're gonna talk about
of...
all of it. Mr. Garza, the attorney that is here to help you, is gonna talk to you about it in the room, and then I'll tell the judge what you have to say, okay? The court is gonna send you a prompt to meet me in the breakout room, and I'm gonna help you, okay?
It's already sent. Go ahead to the breakout room, Mr. Garza. You have an absolute right to a trial. What happened to Baughman? What happened to Baughman? All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Evelyn Ramirez. Ms. Ramirez, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. It's my understanding that you want a trial date.
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is going to be December 17th, 2024 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. And if you pay that $288, I would pay it, wait 48 to 72 hours, approach the Secretary of State for a valid license. If they don't give you a license, ask them for a printout. They should give you a printout and tell you everything that's affecting your license. If it's nothing further, have a very good day, ma'am. See you back December 17th at 9 a.m.
Thank you. You too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Justin Lewis Garrett, case number U69838-024. Please remove your hood. Good morning to you, sir. Appearance for the record, please.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, if you could take yourself off mute and put your name on the record.
Am I helping with that?
Try one more time. There you go.
You're-
There we go. There we go. Good morning. Good morning. Justin Lewis Garrett.
All right, today is the date and time set for show cause as for purposes of arraignment. Counselor, go ahead.
Your Honor, we would ask that the show cause be set aside, any capiases be recalled, and we would stand mute for purposes of arraignment.
Enter not guilty plea. Any client you have, give your client a $0 bond. Offer is going to be disorderly conduct, $240 fine, absolute right to a trial, misdemeanor morality class, HIV STD test and results will be private. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Garrett, and speak to the attorney. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right.
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garza. Mr. Garza, did he ever get to the breakout room?
Your Honor, Mr. Garza disappeared. I don't.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go down to Raymond Griffin.
Yes, sir.
You have a middle name, sir?
Terrell, sir.
All these matters are in warrant status. Some of them show cause.
Your Honor, you said all these matters. I see 2 on the docket. He has more than 2.
Yeah, he's got plenty. He's got a laundry list of cases. All right. This in either show cause or warrant status, they're all in.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Raymond. What's your date of birth, sir?
01/27/1984.
City of Detroit versus Raymond Terrell Griffin, case number SP 101-8637, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 104-0730, counts 1 and 2. SP 1345155, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1345161, SP 1372688, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1373005, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1525984, counts 1. SP 1540433, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9576061, State of Michigan versus Raymond Terrell Griffin, case number SX4418102, counts 1 and counts 2. 2045834, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis
Raymond.
Gayton Robinson on behalf of Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, please state your name for the record.
Raymond Terrell Griffin.
We'll also include SX4418102 into the record. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for show cause and Raymond on the warrants. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, with regards to the warrants, we are asking that they be set aside as he is present and before the court. We waive formal reading of the information and stand mute on all of the matters.
I counted 24 cases into the record. You have an absolute right to a trial. Enter not guilty plea on this behalf. Give a $0 bond. Go ahead and see if you can sort this out. Now to set a pretrial date, and they can all come up on one tick on one date. Absolute right to trial. So I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Speak to Miss Gabe Robinson.
Yes, sir.
Corporal Croxton, good morning to you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Justin Lewis. Did he ever join the room?
Justin Garrett?
Justin Garrett.
I lost him, Your Honor. He didn't ever join.
He never joined.
No, and yeah, no, now he's gone.
Okay, very well. Let's go down to Teresa Long.
Do I wait, sir, or you put me? I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, join that breakout room. They're waiting on you in there. Oh, I'm sorry. I messed that up.
Okay, thank you. My bad.
See, I messed that up.
I thought you were supposed to push the speaker.
I see it now.
You messed that up, Miss Gabe Robinson. He's joining now.
Okay, no problem. I sent Mr. Officer Croxton back out. Corporal Croxton back out.
You have D. Gregory.
Good morning, Judge. I do.
You would normally be miss the bus, but Mr. Gregory did not show either. So
yeah,
there.
Judge, I appreciate you. You're absolutely right.
You're right on time. All right.
Thank you.
Give Mr. Gregory a few more minutes. I do allow some extra time for the defendants to show up because I realize there's a digital divide, especially in our city, and people's phones, people don't have access. But anyway, I'll give them till 10.
I get it. Thank you.
All right. And always good to see you. All right. Long, Teresa L. Long. I don't know how we can help you, ma'am. You have this ticket here. Seems to be an easy one. Are you here on this improper plate?
You said my what, sir?
Are you here on this improper plate?
I don't know. It's been so long. I just was told to come at the court. It may be so.
Teresa Long, it's been so long. City of Detroit. This is you're free to leave. I'm gonna dismiss this case. You paid this improper plate. Your birthday is 9/27, same year as mine.
72.
Right.
Your birthday 9/27?
Not 9/27. Mine is 10/2, 72, same year. I'm gonna dismiss this case. You paid.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Is there nothing further, man? Have a very good day. I wish all the cases were like this. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
You too.
I'm gonna put that on the record now. Rear Portia.
Go back to
I wish I had a Porsche.
Hey, Your Honor.
It probably won't be in this lifetime.
I'd like to be in.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm well. City of Detroit versus she's driving like she's got a Porsche too. That's
Wait.
what they say. 21 to 25 over. I can't see her either. Where are you?
Wait, why I can't see? Can you hear me?
Oh, I can see you. I can see you. City of Detroit versus Portia Greer, case number SP153484001. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, please place your name on the record.
Portia Greer.
Thank you.
All right, she's got a 21 to 25 over and a no insurance on that would happen last year that went along with these cases, but I don't know. I don't know why it just went into default on 9/5 and not a lot sooner. I don't have an issue with setting the default aside if she wants to be heard on that. But today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'd ask that the show cause be set aside. We'd ask that any KPSs be recalled. With respect to arraignment, we stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. I said maybe not in this lifetime, but I do plan on hitting the Mega Million or Powerball in this lifetime, so I may get that.
Thank you.
But if the city has no objection to setting those aside. Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Run her license, please. All right, let's pass it. Mr. Dupree, who's your client? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I've got Unique Owensby.
And she is here. But it doesn't appear that she's on the docket today.
It's the date they gave me on the appointment slip, but I usually try to double check that. It's possible I have the date.
She is here. And then she is on the docket.
Okay.
I just overlooked. All right. This is the city of Detroit. Unique Lynette Owens, case number SP 1417361, SP 1502894, SP 1592415, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P 0132 for the defendant. Miss Owensby, would you state your name, please?
Unique Owensby.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for truth row 1, 2, 3, 4. They allege that Miss Owensby drives like she has a Porsche as well. But those cases are long in default. There's 4 cases up on the docket today. 2, 3, 4. She has 1 case, 21 to 26, 26 to 30 over $216 she owes, 11 to 15 over $228 she owes, no registration $174, disregarded traffic control device $156, failure to secure a passenger $144. Get her an updated offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Owensby. You'll be in number 5. Wait on Mr. Dupree to come speak to you. And Mr. Dupree, go to breakout room 4 and speak to Mr. Bowman. You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please.
Okay. Mr. Dupree, please come see me first.
Yep. I'll come see you first.
Maybe he wants to see his client first.
We spoke last night, actually, so that would be the next step.
Very good. I'm just messing with Mr. Bowman. All right. Who are we ready on?
Mr. Griffin, Your Honor, we're just going to set his matter for a pretrial date.
Let's go back on the record with Raymond Terrell Griffin, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. We'll set up, that's what you want to do, a pretrial?
Everyone, this meeting is being tagged by
yes, sir.
Attacks. There is no way to stop this attack. Fuck niggas, Heil Hitler. You are being hacked by the UTC tabs. Get your stupid niggas. Attention everyone. This meeting is being tagged by the UTC tabs.
What happened?
That's what we're worried about there. They're getting slick now. They're coming in under attorney names.
Make sure that wasn't on my screen.
What?
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir. I don't know what happened. I don't know.
Yeah. Let's go back on the record with Raymond Terrell Griffin. Maybe I need to send a post out to let them know to not let that person in.
Yeah.
Send it out, yeah.
What was the name?
The name was, hold on one second, Mr. Griffin. The name was George Schutz, S-T-U-Z-E-Z Esquire.
Yes.
They got me. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You say you want a pretrial date, correct?
Yes, sir.
December 17th, 2024 at 8:30. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good day. Do you know that you can, let's see what you have. I didn't even go over with you because you got so many tickets, but no proof of insurance, 238.
Your Honor, he's gonna go down to 36th District to the window and see about his civil infractions and what he can start a payment plan for before he comes back for his December 17th date. We've already discussed that.
Okay, I understand that, Ms. Gaten Robinson, but you gotta make sure if you want a driver's license, you gotta prioritize some of those. And I'm trying to give you the no insurance proofs, 376, no insurance civil, 298, and another no insurance proof, 328. Those are the ones that are affecting your license. The other ones you're gonna owe, but you need to prioritize those. If you get that prioritized, you could potentially come back with a valid license, but I don't know. Your case is you have a lot of tickets. All right. So past December 17th, sir. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Man, thank you. You too. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Let's go with
Judge, not to interrupt, but on Portia Greer, do we know if her license came back?
License is valid.
Oh, excellent. Then may I speak with Attorney Bowman in room 3?
Room 4, please. 4.
Thank you.
4.
Yes, that was good. Well. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go with still waiting on Mr. Boffman to come back.
He did text.
That gets me down to Miss Clarice. This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Clarice Lanetta Taylor Lee, case number SP 158-35861. Appearance for the record, please.
Clarice
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf. Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Miss Lee.
Miss Lee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Clarice Lonita Taylor Lee.
Lonita, okay. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a why did I overlooked your name the last time, I think. What is it set for, counsel? Oh, trial. That's all right. Trial. Today's date time set for trial is Officer Tapo here. Yes, he is. He appeared on time.
What? Oh, here she is.
Typical offers as charged. They've been given a delayed sentence on that. Keep in mind, is a 2-point offense, $240 fine. Even if it's delayed, it's still going to get the 2 points on your license. I'm going to put you. Go ahead to the breakout room, Miss Lee. Wait on Miss Gaten Robinson, and then Miss Gaten Robinson go into 4 and speak with Mr. Bowman. All right, or you can do it how you go out if you want to.
Thank you.
All right. Join the room, please.
434 0 0.
Officer Tapo, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Lee?
Yes, I'm Officer Dylan Tapo, badge 491, 11th Precinct.
All right, let's go past the matter. When you come back on, take your hat off, Officer Tapo, please. All right,
Yes, Your Honor.
pass, giving them an opportunity to speak, and they're going to talk to the city attorney, and the city attorney may want to talk to you, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's pass it. All right, let's go ahead and, are we ready on Greer?
Your Honor, I sent her a notice to join the breakout room.
All right, I'm gonna move her from 3 to 6 and back to 3.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, she's in there now. She's in there now. Mess me up.
Thank you. Now she's not. Oh, I can go to 6.
I got her. Go ahead to 3.
Thanks.
Judge, I am ready with Miss Owensby.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Owensby. Miss Owensby, I've given you an opportunity to speak. Well, I've given counsel an opportunity to speak on your behalf. What's going to happen with these cases? Mr.
Judge, we're just asking to set this for a bench trial.
Oh, she's in the driver's seat now, isn't she?
She presently has a valid license.
Well, bench trial, that's what you want, Miss Owensby?
Yes, that's true.
Are you driving now?
I pulled over.
All right, 2020, December 17, 2024, 9 a.m. will be the trial date. If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay? All right, Mr. Free.
Thank you, Judge. Actually, Judge, I'm so sorry. Is
you're on vacation? You're on vacation.
No, I'm just in a jury trial in Frank Murphy, the 17th, 18th, 19th. Could it be the 20th? Or the 16th?
Let's make it the 16th.
Thanks, Judge.
All right, have a good day. Let your client know too.
I will.
All right, thank you. On the telephone at 33728-0784. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Hi, this is Gabriel Garza. I got cut from the meeting.
Garza, okay. One moment, please. Did you send an email?
Yes.
I didn't hear you.
If I may, Your Honor, police officers, any police officers that are checked in, please meet me in breakout room 1. This is Prosecutor Bowman.
And Tapo is up right now.
Okay.
And Green is here, LaToya Green. I didn't know you were gonna make it, Mr. Green. Erica's iPhone, good morning to you. What is your name? What is your full name?
Good morning, Erica Odoms.
Odoms. Okay.
Good morning.
How do we compete with AI-powered outdoor camping? That's an intruder. Stop. This is serious. Police are on the way.
Ms. Green, you're gonna have to mute your device, and then when you call your name, we're gonna have to turn your TV either off or put it on mute, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Greer. She wants a bench trial?
Yes, Judge, because the plea offer is a 3-point ticket. So she's gonna come back hopefully with the basic driver improvement certificate and hopefully get a reasonable plea offer.
Formal hearing is going to be on December the 17th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Do you have a driver improvement class you want to take, Ms. Greer, to see if that'll sway them? I can recommend one, but you can go to any one that's state approved.
Yeah. I told her to go to the Secretary of State website. Sorry to interrupt.
I'm gonna put one in the chat for you. This is up to you. You can go to the state website, or you can take this. I find this to be, well, relatively inexpensive, I guess, from the other ones that I've seen.
That's good. I thought they were all $40. Am I wrong about that?
Oh, is it? I thought some of them were more than that.
They
But maybe
could be.
This one's, I think it's about 40.
Okay, excellent.
I'll put it in the chat, ma'am. It was called Better Drivers. But again, you can take whichever one you are comfortable with, as long as it's state approved. And you could make sure you send whatever, so take a screenshot of that. Take a screenshot of that. So you have my email address. Send me the driver's course ahead of the next date so we can move along quickly, all right?
Oh, I don't see it anymore. Oh, there we go. I see it.
Take a screenshot. If it's nothing further, December 17th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Best of luck to you. City of Detroit versus Darren Deshaun Greer, case number. Is that Darius or Darren Greer?
It's Darius, sir.
So I have a Darren Greer. Well, this is Darius here, though. City of Detroit versus Darius Deshaun Greer, case number SP 1556029, SP 1572505, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, please place your full name on the record.
Darius Deshaun Greer.
Today is the date and time set for a trial / formal hearing. Officer C. Jackson is here. All right. Let's put you in a breakout room with Ms. Jenkins, have a conversation with her, And then Ms. Jenkins, you go to the breakout room and speak to the city and see if we can get some resolution, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Is the city attorney? Maybe in a breakout room. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Talk to the officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Corporal Proxy, you're free to leave. Gregory, if we find him, we'll get him another day. Be safe.
Will do, Judge. Thank you. Always good to see you.
Always. Officer Jackson, can you put your appearance on for Greer?
How you doing, sir?
Name, badge number, and department, please.
Officer Sharniqua Jackson with the Detroit Police Department, badge 3593.
All right, good morning to you. How are you? All right,
Good to yourself, sir.
Well, they're talking now, so just if you've already talked to Mr. Bowman, Mr. Greer is here, and we'll wait and see what happens, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, very well.
Your Honor, has Darius Green checked in? Not
Yes.
Green. I mean Darius Greer.
Yeah, he's in here, and Officer Jackson is here.
Yeah. How about Devontae Gregory?
No. The only other person I have is LaToy Greer. I'll call her next.
Yeah. Okay. And can we do Harrington's? Well, I need to talk to a lawyer, but if this thing goes, Harrington is on his way to a doctor's appointment, so if we can do him before we do.
I'm gonna talk to her next.
Okay. All right.
Yes. Oh, that's dark.
Yeah, it is. You want it like it ain't.
I don't know.
Oh, Officer Tapo, please meet me in breakout room 1.
Will do. Thank you.
All right.
Yes. LeBron's son made the team. That was Los Angeles. Is he gonna make it? They should know now.
I think so. He
Listen,
been doing good.
spell his last name.
OLIVARI.
Two-way contract. So he's just gotta make the.
Mr. Bowman, can I speak to you in 4, please?
Yes.
Like you watch them grow up, like
Big deal. Got to be making it more than $500,000 a year, I guess. Two-way contract, I don't know what the minimum for that is. By himself. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer. Yeah, the rosters are set. They're gonna be pretty good deal.
Into all of right she for Shaggy her every year, Shaggy, you know, they're she they get the hits. She's his mom. So she's like to ESPN, to them like that should do a full circle, you know, Quincy. And they got that footage. Quincy was younger, now he's up here, he's a Laker.
With Shaq's son made the team too, I think.
Did he? He did? I ain't heard nothing about that.
Just like his wife.
Me do that. Oh, sorry. You've been through a lot too. Live up to that.
Oh my God.
There's not only just a professional guy, he's a Hall of Famer. And this name should be over here. And it's very tough.
That's like, brother. Name and date, but son and his brother.
Oh, yeah.
Like, as a parent, you got to feel like.
Your Honor, we're ready on Miss Lee whenever the court is.
Miss.
Did she come out? Yeah.
Clarice Lee?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lee. Miss Lee, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? What's going to happen?
Well, Your Honor, this is an interesting circumstance. So the original offer is for her to plead to the S charge to open alcohol in a motor vehicle as the passenger under a delayed sentence. She does understand that that will result in her getting 2 points on her license. I have spoken with the prosecutor, and he agreed to a generous offer of disorderly conduct, but it would not be done under a delayed sentence. I gave Miss Lee both options: the disorderly conduct not under a delayed sentence, or the open alcohol in a motor vehicle as charged, the 2-point offense that will go on her record but be dismissed after the delayed period. And she is choosing the 2-point offense, open alcohol in the motor vehicle.
And having 2 points on your license and an alcohol-related offense on your license, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This is a case of sometimes you don't talk, you just might walk. On the ticket, it says that you made an admission that it was tequila. That's interesting. Raise your right hand, please, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Gaten Robinson went over your other advisor rights in breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the steal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 16th, 2024, around 12:12 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Bowie and Learn. Do you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was it this clear plastic cup of tequila?
Yes.
All right. That's what I say. I don't understand. If you didn't admit to it, how would they be able to prove that it would be tequila if you didn't admit to it? That's why I say you don't talk, you just might walk sometimes. But this case, you told on yourself. I'll find you guilty as charged. $240 fine. I'll take it under delay. And what was that delay?
3 months, Your Honor.
Three-month delay. Pay it by, I'll set a review for January 23rd, 2025 at 8:25. Make sure it's paid by then. We'll close it out. If it is, dismiss the case. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it now. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Latoy Toy Green. Case numbers SP 139-54141, SP 139-54251, and SP 150-76891. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Ms. Green, P 71733. Ms. Green, please state your name for the record.
Latoy Toy Green.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Officer Harrington, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Kimberly basically draws reasons to her.
Good morning, Officer Michael Harrington, Detroit Police Department, badge 3103.
Good morning to you. And Officer Cunningham, good morning, Officer Cunningham. Can you put your appearance on the record for Latoy Toy Green?
Yeah. Can you repeat that? It kind of was a little noisy, sir. That
Toy Green.
yes.
Make pretty cautious right now, trying to figure out where she's at.
I'm Officer Cunningham, batch 1135, here for Latoya Green.
All right, and the department?
Yes, Detroit Police Department, Downtown Services.
Very well. Listen, Ms. Green, I asked you to put that phone, that TV, or cut it off or put it on mute. All right, trial date. Going to breakout room, speak with Ms. Robinson. Both the officers are here. Ms. Robinson, you know what to do. Join the room, Ms. Green. Please. Mr. Baughman, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Green.
Thank you.
Mr. Green, join the breakout room, please. And wait on Mr. Baughman. And
Mr. Baughman his client is Richard Alexander Green.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think he's got a lot more cases than what no, he doesn't. He only has expired plates and no insurance. I don't know why that was an appointment, but
We'll be able to work that out today.
Yeah,
we're gonna work it out in 2 minutes. Meet me in 4.
I'm in 6.
Meet me in 4.
I don't have the power to do that.
You do. I gave it to you.
Thank you very much. I'll see you in 4.
Let's go back on the record with Greer. Mr. Greer, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? You say he wants to accept points.
The amended offer. No, my client does not want to accept points. I was doing 2 things at once, and that is never a good idea. He's accepting the plea. He does not want points. The amended offer is an impeding and a limited access 1 to 5. Dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor and dismiss the expired plates. Sorry about that.
That is correct, Your Honor. Mr. Bowman, P 33764.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor.
Actions. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the wrong way driving and the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 for the drove right, drove left of center. Dismissing the other matters. When can you pay it, sir? 175, 125.
I can pay it today.
All right, pay it by get it in there by tomorrow. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk. in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. They'll go through immediately. If it's nothing further, sir, pay it by tomorrow. 175, 125. There's nothing further. Be safe. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Officer Jackson, you be safe out there too as well, all right?
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You have a better one, thank you. That gets me to, Garza joined. I'll get him back with, Miss, City of Detroit versus Erica Alicia Odoms. Case number, SB 1537297, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1537300, counts 1 and counts 2. There was a civil infraction. I don't know how far out that was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's on the that's not on the docket. She had alleged to have had an accident at the same time of this, but I don't know how old these cases are to set them aside. But absolute right to a trial, Ms. Odoms. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Ms. Odoms, state your name for the record, please.
Erica Odoms.
And can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Odoms.
All right, this civil infraction went into the default on 9/5/2024. I don't have any objection to setting aside if Mr. Bowman doesn't. SB 1536761. All of them went together. She has Chair Harris as her lawyer.
Oh.
Let's get Chair Harris in here. Let's pass the matter. You were appointed that attorney, Ms. Bowman. And maybe you didn't, maybe you're just here just for that reason, to make sure you have that attorney, right?
Honestly, I'm not 100% sure. I was under the impression that I would be contacted by her for this particular court date, but I haven't been contacted as of.
Let's get her in here. Just give me a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right. Pass the matter.
October 16th. We dismissed it. Dismissed compliant.
Are we ready on Greer? On Green?
Sister Council may have been handling Green. I'm not sure. Is Green this 313 number?
Boston is, no, that's Garza.
Oh, sorry.
Your sister council was handling Garza.
Thank you.
He fell off and wait.
Yeah, Mr. Boffman and I have come to resolution on that case.
On Green, right?
Yes.
Did LeBron make the Lakers team? Or did he get it too? Well, let me look it up.
Ronnie is suiting up tonight.
Is he? So he made the team.
That's right. Ronnie's contract is 5 times the amount of any player was ever drafted 55th in the NBA draft.
Yeah. That's what does when your dad puts in all that work for the NBA. They got a marker just for his name alone. I'd like to see him do well.
Yeah, apparently he's an okay kid. He just wants to hoop.
I'm sure of that. Is yeah, all the interviews that they do with them, he sounds like he's pretty grounded. So I know, which is kind of a difficult thing when your dad's a billionaire, but probably. Miss Gaten Robinson, are you ready?
I need Mr. Bowman.
Okay.
You got Garza here. Garza's back. Have you finished talking to Garza?
I never talked to Garza. He never joined the breakout room.
All right, you'll get him in a second. All right, go ahead and speak to Mr. Bowman in 4, please.
Your Honor, if Mr. Garza is here, he said his insurance was on a PDF. Can he email it over to the court while he waits for me?
Yeah, well, you said you were gonna get all of that, so you didn't have to go through me.
He can email it to me. I don't care. He just never came to the breakout room. I never talked to him. He never made it in there.
Hold on.
Sorry,
Now
Your
he's
Honor.
Stop.
Disconnected.
Stop. Now he's on the phone, so I can't get anything from him because he didn't zoom back in on the Zoom like he was.
Okay, Mr. Garza, do you have a pen and paper?
Yes.
Do you have the ability to email over your documents?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you an email address so you can send them to me.
Sure.
Here, do it in the
ready
breakout.
when you are?
Do it in the breakout room, Mister. I'm gonna put you in 5.
Okay.
All right. Let's go call the City of Detroit versus Richard Alexander Green Jr. Case number SB 159-32971 and SB 159-33831. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you, sir, state your name?
Richard Alexander Green Jr.
Judge, we're going to need a bench trial date, please.
What?
All right, I thought Mr. Bowman said this was worked out.
It was a great offer. It was a great offer, but there's a question of fact as to the vehicle being in service.
Very well. All right. Case is December the 19th, 2024 at 9 a.m. on both matters. Have a very good day, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. It's the City of Detroit versus Erica Alicia Odom. Case number. Let's recall Erica Alicia Odom. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record for Erica Alicia Odom, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Chair Erica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Odom. Ms. Odom, please state your name for the record.
Erica Odom.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause if she missed a date. For the purposes of show cause, go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea in the client behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. Do you understand? Do you know the charges, Ms. Harris?
I do, Your Honor. I remember this one.
All right, so go and join the breakout room, speak to Ms. Odom, and let's see if we can either set a trial date or get a resolution. Absolute right to a trial, Ms. Odom. Speak to Ms. Harris.
Okay.
Mr. Bowman, can you meet me in 4?
Or please, Mr. Bowman. He's in there.
No, this defendant called and said he can't come to court tomorrow. He wanted to have all his tickets merged together. He has another judge. I don't know if he had came to court tomorrow. He probably would have just merged everything together.
Yeah, if the other judge doesn't mind us taking the cases, or send them over there.
Yeah.
Send them over there. That's he has a note. She doesn't. I don't think she might. But she has. He already has a pretrial. Little Ronnie, 2000 on this which was our page 2012. Tell me about it. You want a lifelong dream is to play in the NBA if you make it?
And you follow behind your baby.
And you fight and you get to play with your father? That's a I mean,
that's what's up.
Heck yeah.
That keep the young guy smiling.
But I know he wants to do more than that though.
Yeah.
Sure he wants to win and prove himself. That's some big shoes to fill.
Oh yeah, big shoes. Literally.
Just imagine the weight. Just imagine the weight that you have on your shoulders. That. If you're Bronny James,
yeah, people will try you though, you know.
They're gonna try to try. And they better try to try because they want to make it too.
They gonna try.
Let's see.
A lot of times you do that, you be dealing with the same genetic gene pool.
Let's go. What are we doing with Miss Jenkins? Do you have anyone?
No, sir.
You're just sitting back in the wings. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Odoms. Ms. Odoms, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date, and I'm also renewing my request for discovery.
Ms. Harris, what time is Ms. Odom's docketed for today?
I don't have a docket in front of me.
Oh, okay.
And I did not have her on my calendar for today.
I got it. It was 8:45. 8:45. Discovery requested.
Holiday is going to be December the 19th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, December 19th, 2024 at 9 a.m. You got a lawyer now.
19,
very good one, Ms. Odoms. Have a very good day. If you don't have any further questions, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the date. I'm sorry.
December 19th, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Okay. Yep, got it. Thank you.
All right, best of luck.
Good to see you, Ms. Harris.
Thank you, Ms. Harris. All right, Ms. Odoms.
Okay.
Your Honor, speaking about centered superstar children, apparently Deion Sanders son, the cornerback, got his Rolls Royce booted for failure to pay tickets.
Hey, that's a minor little. That's very minor there for
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, he's an awesome quarterback.
No, this is the D-back.
This is the D-back.
This is the D-back.
He didn't get the NIL money like as much NIL money as his brother did.
Yeah,
so
not as much.
He's probably felt hard times. He has to pay the note on the Rolls Royce. Maybe he can ask his brother to pay the ticket.
That's right. That's right. Or pull out one of the other cars that's in the garage.
Sure enough. Must be nice. All right.
Must be.
Record with Miss Green. Miss Green, I'm giving you an opportunity. I don't think his dad's gonna pay for him though, unless they play up like they're supposed to.
That's right. That's right. Because dad has not made all this stuff disappear before. So
no, dad holds some feet to the fire. Miss Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Miss Green has been made a very generous offer where she pleads to one count of allowing an unlicensed person to drive and one count of impeding traffic. The original matters will be dismissed, and the third matter will be dismissed outright.
All right. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? And you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Miss Gaten Robinson went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You have any questions about the rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give up these rights?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the disregard of a traffic control device. And let me carry your attention back to October the 12th, 2023 at around 12:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Rush Street and 4th Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I could not.
Why is that?
Because I don't have a license.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing $240 will be the fine for that. I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
We do so stipulate, Your Honor.
175 and 240. When can you pay it, Ms. Green?
175 and 240. Can I get 2 months?
No.
Or can I get a month?
I'll give you a
Your Honor,
month.
can she get 30 days to start a payment arrangement with the court?
Oh,
Yeah, I'll give you.
Yes.
Either pay it or I'll mark the file allow payment arrangement.
So, Ms. Green, when you get at least 25% of that, you need to come down to the court before the 30 days is up. Go to the payment plan window, put that 25% down, and then they can give you more time than the judge is allowing.
Okay. How much is it again, please?
175, 240.
Okay.
And then
So that's $415.
Or you can pay it all up before November the 22nd, 2024 at 8:25. That's going to be your next review date. Either it's paid or be in a payment plan by then. You can pay it at that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DID that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Next court date, November the 22nd at 8:25.
I'm going to go back to Mr. Gaza.
All right, Officer Harrington, you're free to leave. Officer Cunningham, you're free to leave. Romano, good morning to you. I don't think anybody showed up, and Officer Hill. Everybody be safe out there. Have a very good day. That nobody else is here. Corporal Bennett, be safe out there. Have a very good day.
Thanks, sir. Have a good night.
That was for Officer Bennett, Your Honor.
Corporal Bennett, yeah.
Okay.
Your defendant never showed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Free to leave, Your Honor?
Yeah, you are. What happened to Justin Lewis Garrett? He fell off?
He never joined the room, and then, yeah, he never returned, unfortunately.
Okay, very good. Ms. Jenkins, have a very good day. And
Thanks.
best of luck.
Thanks. You too. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Pleasure meeting you, Miss Jenkins. Hope to see you soon.
Likewise. Likewise. Thanks.
All right, so yeah, that'll be yeah, he's got some heavy shoes, but with Deion Sanders, I'll tell you what, I told my son plays soccer and he's a right back, so he's on the back line defense, right? And I don't know if you know anything about soccer, but the right and the left backs, they're basically almost full field. You know what I'm saying? To where they're in the defense, a part of the back line, and then when the ball moves forward, they oftentimes, especially my son with his speed, they oftentimes get up in the offense, right? So one day I tell him, I say, listen, I've been telling him to visualize. And one day before a game, this was last year when he was in college, one day before a game, I told him, listen, you need to visualize. You need to visualize, and I want you to watch some of Deion Sanders in college clips and professional clips. I said, it's a reason why he's a superstar. And it was a particular reason why I told him Deion Sanders. So the next day after the game, luckily they won. And this was during the tournament too, they won. But I asked him, I said, so did you watch Deion Sanders? And did you do some visualization? He says, no. I said, why not? He says, because I just don't think it's gonna do anything. I said, well, if you don't think it's gonna do anything, then it's not gonna do anything, because you gotta have belief in it, right? But anyway, I said, it was a reason why I told you to watch specifically Deion Sanders. I said, because when you look at Deion Sanders, first of all, he was the absolute greatest at his position. And he was able to be a lockdown defender, and he was able to get on offense. I said, that's sort of like your position in soccer. You're in the defender, and you need to be able to be offensive minded as well. And Deion Sanders did it better than everybody that I've ever seen. And then, so this year, you know, he signed his first pro contract, and this year he, you know, some of the coaches were critiquing his play, and they said to him, "You're much like Deion Sanders in our eyes." And then he says, "You're a lockdown defender." He says, "But what we want you to do, and what we want you to do is we want you to fine tune the offensive end of your game." You know what I'm saying? So I told him, I said, I don't just say this stuff for nothing to you. Are we ready, Garza?
I need to talk to Mr. Bowman. He does have his documents. You mentioned a defective light.
Defective light, that's a new ticket. That was a new ticket.
He said he came in and had that matter waived.
I don't know anything about that. It's not waived here, so speak to Mr.
Okay.
Bowman.
All right, Mr. Bowman, we're going to 4.
That was so funny when I said, I'm not just speaking like that. I'm telling you what I know. So now this summer, that's his focus all the way, offensive end of this game now. And I asked him, does he visualize? He's like, yeah, I do. Morning, Miss Pruitt. Yeah, so that's his his focus is all this off season is gonna be on his offensive end.
Offensive, yeah.
And I asked him, does he visualize now? He says, yeah, he visualizes now.
You couldn't have asked for better than that.
And that was last year in what? October or something, November. Last year in November, and it came all the way full circle.
Did he disclose that, or did you find out another way?
No, he told me. He always tells.
Okay.
No, he told me that they give them during the season they have correspondence with the coaches and things like that, and they give them a little bit of advice on what they're looking for and stuff. All right, are we ready on Garza?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garza. Miss Gaten Robinson, I've given you an opportunity to speak with your client. What's going to happen with these cases?
Your Honor, for Mr. Garza, there's an offer to dismiss his insurance and registration ticket as he's provided valid documentation. Mr. Garza maintains that he came in and he had that defective brake light matter waived, and he has the documentation of it.
Okay, so how do we see it? Did you see a copy of it?
He's not home with that piece of paperwork.
I could get
He's trying to have it sent to him.
Okay, so when do you want to come back?
Your Honor, can he just log back in quickly in the morning to when he has that paperwork with him to show you that matter, but we dismiss these matters today? The 2 that are on the docket today?
Yes. You gonna log back in tomorrow, Mr. Garza?
Yes, sir.
All right, the earlier you get in, the sooner you'll get out. And we'll see you in the morning. I'm dismissing the other 2 cases for providing valid
right. If you don't mind me asking, is there a certain time I gotta log in, or do I just contact you?
8. The early at 8. We get in here at 8:15. It might not be on the Zoom by then, but yeah.
Log in the Zoom. Gotcha.
Yes, log into Zoom at 8:25. Be one of the first ones.
Will do.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
Yes. Have a good day. Yes, sir. All right. Okay, that pretty much